Did you hear the one about the NYSE listed company that paid off all their debt to Yorkville Advisors? Be a lot cooler if you did. I swear, I've been wanting to make that joke for like the past 3 years, so I'm sorry. But you know what's not a joke? This press release that KULR just released a little bit ago. Check it out. Here's the headline. KULR retires all outstanding Yorkville debt. Yeah, that's about as serious as it gets on this one. Michael Moe is in the press release saying that KULR is now debt-free on their balance sheet, aside from standard payables and financing. You know, credit cards and the other expenses a company of KULR's size has to handle. So if you're not sure what this means, we got to go back in time to earlier in March of 2020. KULR enters into definitive funding agreement for up to $8 million. This is the deal that got KULR the legs to really get their name out there and ultimately off of the OTC markets and onto the NYSE American. But $8 million is a pretty big chunk of change, and even when you're bringing in the revenue that KULR's been bringing in, that's a pretty hefty balance to have to pay off in the meantime. And KULR ran into some questions earlier this year on that existing balance, which is now due, but was ultimately extended at the beginning of this year. And even though it was extended, we get nonstop questions about that note that's due to Yorkville Advisors. Well, no more questions because KULR has paid it off in full. And they're dropping news left and right, really showcasing what they're doing. We've got our safety summit coming up here tomorrow, right here on YouTube. And we got KULR as one of the guests. More specifically, Michael Moe is going to be there alongside 3 other CEOs in the safety field who protect consumers, first responders, and our military at home and abroad. We're doing a live Q&A with all 4 CEOs at once, so it'll be a pretty unique panel for you guys to check out. So hit that subscribe button, definitely drop a comment on your thoughts on KULR. This is Kevin for SmallCapVoice. And if you want more insight on KULR's recent contract with Lockheed Martin, you got to check out this video. We did a really quick breakdown of what you need to know from that press release and the technology that KULR's bringing to the table. Check it out.